stellar astronomy that I do, star really exists because of stars. Life only exists because of the sun, because of the energy we get from the sun. But in fact, we're made of all the stuff that was made inside stars, all the nuclei of the atoms that make us up. We're not made here on Earth, they were made inside a star billions of years ago.
Well, I was one of these kids that always asked why to my parents. So I was always asking why that's happening, why that's blue, why the sun is there, and why then it moves, these kind of things. And my parents never really answered any of those questions. Because I'm first generation of scientists, so they really didn't know the actual answer. There's a bit of an E to 9 instead of feelings.
In that space at the same time, I think it's such a profound insight into where this is going that it sort of leads you to see the possibilities of it.
If you can't really they are grappling, they find it really hard to grip something, and there are, I don't know exactly, but there are thousands of cells, they are receptors, and their touch sensation and motor aspects are not yet comprehensively developed.
Even being one-time told in a big research effort, I think from where I am now, that kind of encapsulates my feeling as a child. I did also collect a lot of things, and that may just be a kid thing, kind of still do it. But I'd collect conkers that were exciting, I'd collect interesting rocks and sticks, and I'd find my favourite one and keep that in my collection. And
can behave in peculiar ways.
And I was splashing around in the sea, and I picked up a piece of seaweed and dropped it back on the thing, and everything just lit up. It was like fairy lights, and I just fascinated. I started splashing. Every time I made a splash, it was just like these flashes of light, and I was like, wow, what is going on there? And now I know it to be, it's bioluminescence phenomenon. I was completely captivated by it.
You keep them warm, you keep them safe, and then you need to give them food. So when you give food to the cells, there's one particular